आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello student, the question here is if Pth, Qth and Rth term of an AP and GP are both A, B and C respectively, show that A to the power B minus C into B to the power C minus A into C to the power A minus B is equal to 1. Okay, so in this question it is said that Pth, Qth and Rth term of an GP and AP are both equal that and represented by A, B and C. Then we have to show that A to the power B minus C, B to the power C minus A into C to the power A minus B is equal to 1. Now let us suppose that A and B be the first term and common difference of the AP. Okay, of the AP. So we can write that A plus P minus 1 into D is equal to A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to B. We mark this as equation 1, this as equation 2, and A plus R minus 1 into D is equal to C. Okay. Now, on subtracting equation 2 from 1, we will get P minus Q into D is equal to P minus A. Okay. And on subtracting third from 2, we will get Q minus R into D is equal to B minus C. Similarly, subtracting equation 3 from 1, we will get P minus R into D is equal to A minus C. Okay, or we can say that as we have to get C minus A as it is given in the question that we have to find C minus A. So we can say that R minus P into D is equal to C minus A. Okay. Now, as the three terms are also in GP, as ABC are in GP, we can say and let us suppose that B be the first term and R be the first term and common ratio of the GP. Then we can say that A will be equal to B into small r is already used, so we will take this as capital R, not as small r. Okay, B into R to the power P minus 1. B will be equal to, small b will be equal to B into R to the power Q minus 1, and C will be equal to B into R to the power R minus 1. Okay. Now putting the values of A, B, C from GP, the values of A, B, C from the GP term in the expression, which we have to prove that A to the power B minus C into B to the power C minus A into C to the power A minus B. So we will take the values, these values of ABC from the terms of GP, and we take the values of B minus C, C minus A and A minus B from these equations, from these three equations. Okay, so putting the values from equations, we will get this as b into r to the power p minus 1 upon b minus c into b into r to the power q minus 1 to the power c minus a into b into r to the power r minus 1 to the power a minus b will be equal to b to the power b minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b, and r will be equal to now we know that b minus c is equal to, not plus, into r to the power b minus c is equal to d into q minus r, and p minus 1 is there, so we can write that d into p minus 1 into q minus r plus q minus 1, we will take out d common, plus q minus 1 into r minus p plus this plus is for the power of r, not the continuation of d into r, plus, okay, plus r minus 1 into p minus q. Okay, so upon solving this, we will get b to the power 0 into r to the power d into pq minus q plus r minus pr plus qr minus pq minus r plus p plus pr minus qr minus p plus q, and again we can see that the power of d r will also become 0, so overall expression will be equal to b to the power 0 into r to the power 0, which will be equal to 1. So we are able to prove that a to the power b minus c into b to the power c minus a into c to the power a minus b is equal to 1. I hope this has answered your question and your doubt is clear. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।